Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Vivo V29 Pro 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to turn off keyboard vibration in your phone Vivo V29 Pro 5G. Suppose if you are going to type something on your phone using the keyboard, if you experience vibration while pressing each letter, number and symbol on your phone, then if you would like to if you would like to turn off this keyboard vibration, yes, you can do it. What you have to do is go to the settings of your phone first, then go to system, then go to languages and input and click on advanced, and now go to on screen keyboard and select default keyboard and set default keyboard from Gboard to talkback keyboard, and then go to manage on screen keyboards and select Gboard, and here just select preferences, and here you go to turn off haptic feedback on key press. Okay, now go to home screen and go to typing interface and click on next keyboard, and here you will not get any vibration while pressing on the keyboard. Okay, that is if you press letters, numbers or symbol, you will not get any vibration. Okay, because keyboard vibration is just now turned off. In this way you can easily turn off keyboard vibration in your phone Vivo V29 Pro 5G. That's all friends, thanks for watching, bye.